Did you know old light fixtures are going away? You will never have to change light bulbs ever again. LED is the future. Old light bulbs were invented by Thomas Edison, or were they? They are incandescent light bulbs. They generate too much heat and use a lot of electricity. They are outdated. Then we replaced them with CFL, fluorescent light bulbs. They gave off horrible light quality and gave people headaches. Now we have LED light bulbs. They're a huge improvement. They use much less electricity and have good quality of light, very reliable, very long lasting. However, have you looked at the home improvement stores? You will not be able to find old-fashioned light fixtures with replacement bulbs very often for very much longer. They are getting replaced by LED light fixtures. Look how cool this is. The moon. This light fixture is LED, very low on energy consumption, less than 1 inch thick, low profile, easy to install. Check it out, everybody. That is it. That's your integrated LED light panel. Flush mounted, less than 1 inch thick. Comes in 3 different colors. I was impressed with the quality and the price. Check the video description for the price. I don't know about you, but I think these old light fixtures are kind of ugly and kind of dated. I'm excited to see them go and move up to better technology. Okay, once you ensure that the power is disconnected, you're going to unscrew your old light fixture, remove any electrical caps, electrical nuts. You can call them either one. They're the exact same thing. Your old light fixture is off and gone. In the new kit will come the little hardware installation. That is the mounting screws, the electrical nuts, hollow core anchors if you're going directly into drywall. This is considered a flush mount application. You can install it virtually anywhere. Okay, that cross member bar, I believe, is not included in the new kit, so you do want to reuse that from your old light fixture. If you're ever missing any individual hardware pieces, guys, I didn't realize this years ago, from your light fixture, say you have a poorly fitted one, the new one doesn't match up, and you need some new pieces, this mounting crossbar, the screws that fit for electrical, they are all individually sold at your home improvement centers at the electrical department. Okay, next, you're ready for your new awesome LED light fixture. It starts with the mounting plate. It literally just screws into this mounting plate. Note it says, no, this side must face downward. So don't make the mistake of putting that up, otherwise it won't screw in correctly. This side faces downward, your new fixture will screw right into it. So your wires go through the center hole. And then the kit comes with 4 screws. You want the flat threaded screws, no sharp points. And you're just going to turn this until it lines up with the mounting plate. All right, got that one started. Let's see where the second one will line up. You have so many options here. You just keep turning it until it lines up with one of the threaded holes. Now a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, onto the new light fixture. So it only has a hot and a neutral. There's no ground provided. Now what that means is this is a double insulated light fixture. There's not a risk of electrical shock on the fixture. So this ground wire actually can just be tucked up out of the way. It is already grounded to the box I saw earlier. But yeah, that's not going to be used. Your light fixture only has the hot and the neutral. There's an adjustment switch here. Check this out. This is your temperature warm. You can adjust what temperature, color of the light. I think lower is cooler and higher is warmer, which is more yellow, and the cooler is more blue. So you get to adjust that. Okay, so when you're doing solid wire, which is your house wire, to braided wire, you want to remember to pull the braided wire further than the solid wire. You want it to stick out. What's going to happen there is when you screw on the electrical nut, it will bite onto the braided wire and then to the solid wire. And that will give you a good tight connection. Because if you start with them at the exact same point, you'll just push that braided wire down and it just won't be a good connection. The electrical nuts are included in the kit and they are nice and tiny, the perfect size for a project like this. So again, here we got the braided wire from the light fixture, which is 99% of the case a braided wire. You got the house's solid wire. Pull the braided wire beyond the solid wire. You want it longer. Then come in with your electrical nut, and when you screw that down, it will bite into that wire and be a nice tight fit for you. Okay guys, you've done it. These wires will tuck nicely into this recessed well here in the center of the light fixture. And then this screws right into the mounting plate. At least that's what the instructions said. So we'll give it a try and see how it works here. Okay, so all the way up, when it's not hitting the wire, you'll feel it hit the circle. All the way up, screw to the right, and it grabs and you can feel it. Let's turn it on and test it. I picked the black accent color. It's an awesome contrast between the white ceiling. And we have light. Hey guys, this is an awesome project. You can freshen up your rooms with LED light fixtures. These surface mount light fixtures are the way to go. They are becoming very, very popular. You can definitely do this project yourself. I know you can do it yourself. Check in the video description to see how much this fixture costs. Let me know if you have any questions. Hey, I bet you can do it yourself.